In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert an eBay buyer account to seller. The good news is that on eBay, you usually don't need to create a completely separate seller account. In most cases, you can start the selling process directly from your existing buyer account simply by creating your first listing. That first listing is what effectively gets you started as a seller. To begin, sign into your eBay account and look for the sell option. Click on Sell to open the seller area. Once you're there, click Create Listing. This is the point where eBay starts guiding you through the process of setting up an item for sale, which also helps activate the selling side of your account. Next, type in the product you want to sell. Be as accurate as possible here, because eBay may use what you enter to suggest matching products and save you time when filling out listing details. After entering the product, select Find a Match. You'll then see product suggestions. Click the matching item that best fits what you're selling. Choosing the correct match can make your listing more complete and more professional, since eBay may automatically fill in some product details for you. After selecting the correct match, click Continue. Now, you'll move to the Condition section. Select Condition, then choose the option that fits your item. In this example, the option is New with Tags. Make sure you choose the condition honestly and carefully, because this helps set buyer expectations and can reduce the chance of issues later. Once you've selected the condition, click Continue. After that, you'll be taken to the main listing page where you can enter the product information. This is where you complete the important details for your item. Take your time here and review everything carefully. Make sure the title, description, price, shipping details, and any item specifics are accurate and clear. The more complete and precise your listing is, the better your chances of attracting buyers and avoiding confusion. When everything looks good, click List It. At that point, your item will be submitted and your buyer account will effectively be functioning as a seller account as well. That's all it takes. By going through the listing process, you're turning your regular eBay account into one that can sell items too. If you're new to selling, a good tip is to double check your listing before publishing so your first sale experience goes as smoothly as possible.